those summer nights. We went strolling, drank lemonade. We stayed out till 10 o'clock. Summer fling don't mean a thing, but those summer nights. Shoot it up, 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 yeah. He got friendly, holding my hand. He was sweet, just turned 18. Summer heat, boy and girl meet, but those summer nights. It turns colder, that's where it ends.
So I told her we'd still be friends.
Then we made our true love vow.
Wonder what she's doing now.
Summer dreams ripped at the seams, but those